Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to solve one more numerical on biomass energy systems. So you can take down the numerical. If biomass input to the gas plant, if biomass input to the gas plant is 130208 kg and each kg of biomass contains energy of 0.064 kilowatt hour per kg, and biomass plant efficiency is 60%. Then, okay, so what is given to you? Biomass input M is given to you 130208 kg, right? Then energy E is given to you as 130208, 0.064 kilowatt hour per kg, and efficiency is given to you 60%. Okay, so what we have to find out first bit, what is the total kilowatt hour energy content in biogas received from a biogas plant. Okay, so we have to find out the total kilowatt hour energy. Per kg we are knowing with. So we will find it out for whatever kgs we are giving as an input, right? Second bit, if the energy density of biogas, if the energy density of biogas is 200 kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube, so per volume is given to you, per meter cube, per Newton meter cube. So volume of the digester is known to you and energy density is given to you as in the form of a kilowatt hour. So energy per unit volume per Newton meter cube is given to you. Then what is the total volume of biogas output in Newton meter cube, right? So we have to find out Newton meter cube. We are knowing with kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube. So we can find out Newton meter cube as a volume, right? And the third bit, if the engine efficiency is 80%, so now engine efficiency is given to you. So biogas output will be definitely driving the engine whose efficiency is given as 80%. Then what is the mechanical output of a gas engine in kilowatt hour? So we have to find out the mechanical output. Okay, but in kilowatt hour we have to find out. So if we can find out kilowatt hour at the input of the engine, we are knowing with the efficiency and we can find out the output. I hope all of you have understood what is given and what we have to find out, right? Now let us solve the problem. You understand it first and then you can solve. I will give you time for solving just to understand it first. Okay, so see how the whole system is. I have drawn a block diagram for easy understanding of the numerical. This is the biomass input. So this is a gas plant. Okay, gas plant to which we are giving the input in the form of kg, right? It is a waste. So it is given in the statement that 130208 kgs of biomass input we are feeding. So I've written the input here, which is 130208 kg. Okay. Then we are also knowing with the um, efficiency as 60%. So this is the efficiency of a biogas plant, 60%. Then even kilowatt hour energy per kg is given to us as 0.064, right? It is given in the problem statement. Density is given to us as 200 kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube, right? And we know that biogas plant is driving an engine and engine efficiency is given to us as 0.8, right? We are interested to find out first kilowatt hour energy at this stage at the output of the biogas plant. Secondly, the volume of the gas here. And thirdly, the mechanical output. Okay, so one by one, we will solve each and every bit. So first bit, we will find out what is the input. What is the input kilowatt hour energy? This is what is asked, right? So we are knowing with the mass 130208 kg and we know per kg how much energy it contains. Okay, so if we multiply this kilowatt hour per kg by number of kgs, kg will get cancelled and you will get the energy contained in the input. So this is the first bit. Okay, first bit means first bit we have to find out energy here at the output of the biogas plant. But first of all, we have to find out this energy at the input, and then we are knowing with the efficiency, so we can find out the output. Okay, so input in kilowatt hour will be mass into gas produced. So mass is 130208 into gas produced is 0.064 kilowatt hour per kg. So this kg will get cancelled and we'll get the output. I mean, we'll get the result in kilowatt hour. So this many kilowatt hour energy is at the input of the biomass plant through the solid waste that we are putting. But the first bit asked is kilowatt hour energy at the biogas plant output. So we have to find out the energy at this stage. So we are knowing with the efficiency. Efficiency is output upon input. So output will be efficiency into input. So input just now we have found it out. So I'll put it as it is into efficiency is 60%. So I'll multiply it by zero point 0.6. Got it? So it comes out to be 5000 kilowatt hour. So this is the first bit of the numerical. We have found out the kilowatt hour energy at the output of the biomass plant. Secondly, we are interested to find out the volume of the gas. Now, volume of the gas in Newton meter cube. So we know that how many kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube is there, right? So 200 kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube. So volume total energy kilowatt hour is known to us. Now if we divide it by the density which is given in kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube, this kilowatt hour will get cancelled and this will come up and therefore unit will be Newton meter cube. So this is the volume of the gas. So just now we have seen the total energy is 5000 and the density is given as 200. You can see here density is given in the numerical as a 200. Okay, density 200 kilowatt hour, right? So density is given to us that we are putting here. So total energy is 5000. Just now we have found out kilowatt hour. So this 5000 upon 200 kilowatt hour per Newton meter cube. So it becomes 25 Newton meter cube. So this is the volume of the gas output. Okay. And lastly, the mechanical output in kilowatt hour. So we are interested to find out here mechanical output in kilowatt hour. So we are knowing with the kilowatt hour here, we are knowing with the efficiency. So 5000 is the input. Efficiency is known to you. We are interested to find out the output. So output upon input is the efficiency. So efficiency into input will give you output. So efficiency into input. So efficiency is 80% into input to the engine. Input to the engine we have found out as 5000. So 5000 I'll multiply with and 4000. So 4000 kilowatt hour is the output of the engine in kilowatt hour. Okay. So this is how we have solved the numerical. I hope you have understood it. So you can solve it and if any doubt, please get back to me.